Hi, I'm back for another vlog. So exciting. Baby steps, you know, kind of getting into the groove of vlogging, but I was actually thinking of doing kind of like a weekly vlog of just anything random. Most likely I'm just gonna combine exciting things that happened within the week, and I'll just put it all in one vlog. So today is Wednesday and I'm gonna be meeting my friend for dinner at 6:30. It's around 4 o'clock right now, so I'm just gonna go get ready. And I haven't seen her for a long time, so that's exciting. And we're gonna be going to a restaurant that's, I think, is new. I haven't been to, and it's called Taps in Meadowvale here in Mississauga. So yeah, let's go ahead, and I'm also gonna be showing you some of my favorites that I've been loving when it comes to makeup and anything beauty. Before I proceed, I would also love it if you would like this video and also give me a follow if you are interested in lifestyle, beauty, vlogs, hauls, reviews, anything that's related to those. So I have 30 minutes to go get ready, putting in the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer just to keep my oils and pores at bay. Okay, for that glow, I'm gonna be using the Hollywood Flawless Filter in the shade 2.5 or Fair. I'm gonna be placing this on the top parts of my face to give me that glow from within kind of look. And I'm just gonna go blend it out. So today's been a pretty chill day for me. I did go to the gym, and I've also started like a new program that's gonna be running for weeks, so wish me luck on that. Let me know if you want me to include it also in my vlogs, but yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully I stick to it and be accountable of anything that would kind of like better and challenge me up mentally and physically. For foundation, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation in the shade 1.2 or Patagonia. Okay, this next product, I've been loving and been using this ever since I got it. It is the Kosas Revolver Concealer. For powder, I'm going to be using another product from Kosas. It's the Cloud Set Powder in the shade Breezy. I love how the powder takes away the shine but not the glow. You know, like it's just there to kind of like really set it in. I don't want it too harsh. For bronzer, surprise, surprise, my Makeup by Mario bronzer, which I haven't parted for like the longest time. It's just so creamy, easy to apply. I love the shade. It's not too warm and not too cool. For eyes, I'm going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2, and I was thinking of doing kind of like a semi-smoky eye with a hint of like this mustard color, because my dress that I'm gonna be wearing has kind of like gold tones to it. And then for blush, the only thing that I got from the Sephora sale is this Tower 28 set. Actually, it came with the lip gloss as well, but this is the Beach Please blush in Magic Hour. And then for lips, it's the Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil in the shade Travis. And then on top of that, I'm gonna be putting the Merit Lip Oil in Au Naturel. I don't even need to put a highlighter on. And this is the finished look. Super glowy, as you can see. I don't even need to put a highlighter. But since I do want the makeup to stay on for the whole night, I'm gonna be spraying the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Spray. And this is the finished look. Very simple, glowy, great for just like a dinner out for tonight. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. Mind you, it's still kind of cold here in Toronto. It's about 5-ish degrees, so I just want to be comfortable. I'm wearing a mid-length dress or tunic from H&M that I got a long time ago. My favorite belt to cinch in my waist. My shoes are from Aldo Spring. Just a knee-length boot with my tights. And then for a pop of color, I have my Coach bag. This look is very comfy. In case I eat a lot, I can just take out this belt, you know? So yeah, that is my outfit for tonight. Good morning. Today is Friday and I have the day off. My husband and I decided to go to take a trip to Yorkdale, maybe just look around, have like a brunch date. But yeah, the weather is very nice. It's sitting about 15 degrees this morning. And update on the dinner that I had the other day with my friend. Oh my goodness, we went to this place called Tap's Public House and it's such an awesome restaurant. It was both our first time and it's awesome because it's near our place, and we had such a great time. We spent 5 hours just talking one-on-one, catching up. So yeah, that's the update on that. Good morning, it's Sunday, 1:30 p.m. and it's a lovely day outside, super sunny, kind of chilly still, but I'm going to be hanging out with my family, just having a relaxing, chill day. We're gonna be going to Burlington area and probably just walk around, go to the park or the playground that my son really loves, and that's what I'm gonna do today. And this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing just a plain black long sleeve t-shirt and then shorts, black boots, my LV corset bag, and my leather blazer.